Welcome to PC Pickup Tech Knowledge. We're going to take a screen replacement on an ultra thin Lenovo Ideapad laptop. We're going to swap the screen out. Already started popping it here. You've got to run your fingers around it. This is a screwless design. Take all the screws out around from each edge. Screen just falls backwards. Peel the tape back. Slide that right out. Set the new screen in. We actually leave the plastic film on the screen so you can keep your fingerprints off it so you don't have to wipe it off later. Snap in the lower edge connector here for his LED screen. You gotta be careful to line it up the edge and the pins just slide together. Not much force used in that. Just grab a piece of tape to replace the tape you ripped. Put it on there. That's just to hold that in place. It does snap in, but the tape holds it in case you shake the laptop around too much. So it's tricky with these thin screens. They don't have much of an edge on them. Get them set in there. Unlike your standard screens, they don't have any screws on the side. They only have these front-facing ones holding them in. Once all these are in there, as you just take and carefully peel back the plastic. And sometimes rub my knife along the edge if it's not cutting easily. Careful not to poke the screen. No fingerprints on it. Let's take the screen, it just snaps right back in. No screwing on this. Bring your hands along the edge, put these in here, little bezel part where it attaches. You can see on these bottom parts sometimes it's stuck out a little bit. Just squeeze it. Pushes it right back where it belongs. Then on these, sometimes you need to lever under it. Make those snap in, and that snap in there. Then that's it. Screen's repaired. Brand new screen.